Welcome back. This is part 3 of building a comfortable wooden chair. Previously, we dialed in our basic measurements for the seat, the back, and the height of the seat from the floor. Then we adjusted the angle of the seat to the floor and the angle between the seat and the back. We should now have a prototype chair that is sort of comfortable. So do some testing. Try different heights and angles, mark the results on your prototype, and modify the prototype so that it can be disassembled and reassembled easily with consistent results. In this video, we will contour the seat to make it even more comfortable. If you look at most wooden chairs with wood seats, you may notice that the seats are not flat pieces of wood, but shaped in some fashion like these chairs. Other chairs dispense with the solid wood seat and use slats. And sometimes the slats are shaped. Our bottoms have one curve that goes from our back to behind our knees and another curve that goes from left to right. Let's look at the curve from our back to behind our knees. It looks something like this. It is deeper for our butt, then tapers just like our thighs taper. The shape of the curve is fairly constant, but the dimensions will vary based with the individual. There is a big difference in the curve between someone 5 feet tall and 90 pounds and another person 6'5", 280 pounds. Also notice that behind the knees, the curve rounds over to present a flat surface to the back of your calf. This way you can have a deeper seat without discomfort to the back of your knee calf area. Your chair design can incorporate this round over behind the knee, or it may end in an edge. If it ends in an edge, pull the edge at least a ½ inch back from the inside of the knee. An edge digging into the sensitive area behind the knee is very uncomfortable. There is a link below to a PDF file with this basic front to back shape. Included in the file are directions to print it actual size. Play with the shape by scaling it up or down to suit your measurements. To test for comfort, cut 2 inserts from 3/4 inch material that follow the shape. Also cut several 2¼ inch by 3/8 inch thick slats from straight grained hardwood. Make the slats about 2 inches longer than the front measurement of your prototype. This way you can reuse them later in the process. Fasten the inserts to the inside of the seat support of your prototype. Then tack the slats to the insert like this. Modify the shape until it is comfortable. Continue testing and modifying the shape until it is really comfortable. At this point, it may be necessary to provide a center support to the slats. This will keep them from flexing and pulling out of the tacks. Until next time, thanks again for watching.